So it did cut me off. I was almost finished. So this is the event that propels the United States into World War One. And again, the Constitution says that Congress is the only one that can declare war. President Wilson goes to Congress and asks for a declaration of war on April 2nd, 1917. And in the House, I'm going to look at my numbers because I don't remember. The House, it passes 373 for war and 50 against. And in the Senate, it passes 82 for war and 6 against. And then, thus, the United States in April of 1917 is propelled into World War I. One of the biggest issues is we're not ready. And that's one of the things that kept us out of the war for so long is we weren't ready. So Section 2 will tend us to war, and we will get that next week. So your assignment is to read primary sources about the Lusitania and to read primary sources about the Zimmerman telegram. It will be given to you. And you'll look and answer some questions. And then the final will be you will answer in two lengthy paragraphs. Choose a prompt that America was justified in entering into World War I, or America was not justified. Again, I'm not caring what side that you fall down on. Yes, no, but more so that you back up your answers. So make sure that you look back at the notes, that you also look at section 1 in your textbook, and then look at those primary sources and then answer that question. And that is your assignment, which is under this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, we're always answering in complete sentences and complete thoughts. And I will be answering emails tomorrow. Again, I'll remind you from 9 until 3 regularly, like try to get them pretty quickly during the office hours, and then up until 7 o'clock. And then if not, I'll get you tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great rest of your day. Please let me know if you have any questions. I miss you guys very much. I was able to go into my classroom yesterday, and it was kind of bittersweet that it was empty, but I did get to go in there. Again, miss you guys. Be careful, be safe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.